Hey, what's up? It's Spaz the Magician, and this is an update to the close-up mat that I was going to make. As I said, I was attempting to make it, and I knew I was going to have some issues with it, and apparently I need different material because when I went to cut it, it went jagged around the edges. And as you can see, for the most part, it's pretty good. And this is the original one. And this is the other one that I made under it. So you can see the size comparison. But why my whole theory with the rubber cementing two pieces of rubber with then putting the material over it was actually successful. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that. That's it. I got the corners nice and rounded as well. And what I'll do is on my next one I make, I will actually show the steps and the process on how exactly I made it so you can follow along if you want to. I'll tell you all the materials, where I got them from, things like that. So, till next time, Spaz the Magician signing out. Take care.